Alright, so today me and my brothers are going to be doing the tape measure jelly bean challenge with, and you need to guess the flavor of jelly bean. There's all different flavors. So, yeah. You guys see the organism?
Oh!
Alright, so let's pick this one.
Can I put that down? Let's put it
What flavor?
Me?
Yeah, what flavor? What flavor do you think it tastes like?
Tastes kind of like grapefruit.
Alright, so Augie put that there. Switching. So this jelly bean.
Roll it down, please.
Nope. This.
I make space for it.
You ready, Augie?
Uh-huh. What's it taste like? Eat apple.
Augie, do you want to go again and Clark can go again? How about you guys go 3 times?
Okay.
No, I'm gonna do it. Let's do
No, I'm still chewing.
this purple one. It's like purple, but
Yeah. Could I hold it so that it's
No.
easier for you?
just Augie, put that in your mouth.
I'm still chewing.
Alright. Augie took forever. Ready?
Did you get it?
What do you think it is, Augie?
Sounds like a dude perfect trick shot. I don't like it.
What flavor do you think it is?
Booger. Does it taste like one of those from Blue Soul? I haven't tasted the flavor before, so I don't know it.
So the next one.
I'm going to pop all the way up this dude.
Nope.
Alright, at least from here.
No. So let's do this one.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Did you get it?
Stop face.
I do the face again. What do you think it is?
I haven't tasted it even yet.
He's like, I'm gonna throw up. Does it taste good or bad?
Or you go further, like to the window.
That's a bad idea. Went even further. You ready, guys? So let's get a jelly bean. Clark, stop it. Oh, what about this blue one? Focus. Jelly bean. Ready? So I'm gonna record right here so you see it. Oh no!
It fell.
Let's try that again. It doesn't fall off. Oh no! Jelly bean! Alright, we're gonna reposition. I think we got it. Oh no.
Wait, let me toss it back up.
Let's see if this works. Yes.
Yeah. Mom,
What is it?
So good.
What is it?
Tastes like sour bubble gum.
Oh my goodness.
Tastes so good.
Alright, we're gonna do one more for Clark. Alright, guys, look look at that. Look how far that is. Alright, so what should we do now? Maybe like, oh, this black one. Might taste like black licorice, maybe. Clark, put that to your mouth. Make sure it's straight. You guys ready?
I'm gonna make it do like a jump.
That's a bad idea, but let's see. Clark! Alright. Just threw it up. No, he like threw it. He didn't throw it. Do you think it's still good to eat?
Nah. See hairs on it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna spit out a candle.
Okay, so how about we do...
Are you straight?
Let's do... okay, stop. How about we do this orange one? Maybe it'll taste like oranges. Don't mind under my nails. Oh my goodness. All right. Look at it. Look at that. right, you ready? See if it works, Augie. Don't move it. Oh my goodness.
It ramped over me.
Throw it up. Came back to him. Let's do it again.
Look!
Doggy! Doggy walk by. Ah, it hit my leg. So we're gonna keep trying this. Oh! Oh, Doggy got it. Doggy. All right, hopefully this works. My ghost dice. Oh my goodness. Guys, that part's the problem. It's on my hand. So we're gonna try this again. I think it's all straight. Ready? Oh no. Clark, just eat it.
Okay.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh, it was at 11 feet.
Okay, now
was
this one.
almost
at that. Okay, now this one tastes like grapefruit.
Really?
Yeah, like
Should we do it for me?
like an orange lollipop.
Do you guys want to do it for me?
Yeah, all.
Now it's Daph's. What is?
Clark.
Okay,
stop.
now it's Daph's turn.
I can delete this and I can choose it. I can delete this. Okay.
Okay.
Make it good.
So let's choose one. What about this one?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm scared.
Ready, Daph?
Yeah.
Let it go. Blurry.
Let it go.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Did you get it?
Mhm.
What does it taste like?
This tastes.
I love yellow.
It tastes like a really sweet medicine. All right.
Next one.
Pause it while I chew it.
If you're wondering why Daphne's wearing that cast thing, she actually fell out of a tree in Daph.
Did you see that?
Yes.
All right. Can we just do the jelly
Daph
beans?
just threw this at me.
Do the jelly beans.
Okay. Which jelly bean should I?
Or let Augie choose some too.
Okay, we're gonna do this red jelly bean. I hope it doesn't taste like hot tamale.
Guys! The thing.
It's about to throw it.
Oh,
good.
It's in my foot. I'm ready.
You guys still think this is safe to eat?
Wait, what? There, I see hair on it.
No, that's on the back of my hand.
Let me see.
Look. That's still. I bet it's safe to eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's
Right.
highly toxic. Oh my goodness.
Let's
All
go
right, ready?
further.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Whee. Oh, okay. What is it?
It's cherry. It's cherry. Stop zooming in on my face.
No, I'm not zooming in. I'm zooming out.
What did
this?
you do?
I
That's
zoomed in.
cherry. Pause it while I eat. Let me eat in peace.
Okay, it's paused.
Guys,
What?
I'm curious.
Okay. Okay, which one do you want? Okay, hand me
I'm
it.
scared.
Ooh.
Augie, hold it straight, okay?
That thing,
What is it?
Audie, it's this yellow bean.
Here, Augie. We're almost done.
You get it? What is it?
Stop zooming in on me.
Okay, I'll zoom out.
Stop smiling. Guys, stop it.
Okay, I'm actually zoomed out.
Pause it.